Good morning, class 9th. This video is part 2 of chapter 6C, working with objects. In this video, I am going to tell you how to insert pictures, smart art, chart, etc. So let's begin. First of all, I will explain how to insert pictures in a document. Place the cursor at the position where the picture is to be inserted. Under Insert tab, select Picture option from the Illustrations group. The Insert Picture dialog box will appear with Picture Library opened by default. Select the desired picture from the right pane and click on Insert button. In this window you can see, firstly we'll click on the Insert tab, then I will click on the Picture option. The Insert Picture dialog box will appear, and in this pictures library will be opened by default. Select the picture of your choice and click on Insert button. Even if the picture has been stored at some other location, you can specify the location and click on Insert button. The picture will be inserted in this way in your document. You can also resize the picture by dragging it from the handles. Next, I will tell you how to insert online pictures. For inserting the images online, we make use of Bing image search. So Bing image search is used to search the images from internet. For this, you have to type the keyword in the search box and then you will press enter key or search button. Then select the desired picture and click on insert button. The image will appear in the document. As you can see, under Insert tab, we have online pictures. Then Bing image search will open. You will type the keyword for the image that you want to search. All the images available on internet will be displayed, and then you can select the image to be inserted. Next, I will tell you how to apply picture style or picture effects. For this, you have to select the picture. Then you will click on Format tab and select any picture style under Picture Style group. Then you will select Picture Effects under Picture Styles group. A drop-down list will show different picture effects like shadow, reflection, glow, etc. Select the picture effect as per your requirements. As you can see in this window, firstly you will select the picture, then Format tab will you have to click the Format tab. Under that you will select Picture Effects under Picture Styles group. Select the effect of your choice and that will be applied to the selected picture. The next thing that we are going to discuss is adding smart art graphics. Now smart art are you can say these are the graphics that illustrates the information rather than just displaying the text. For this, you have to place the cursor at the position where you would like to insert smart art. Under Insert tab, select Smart Art option from Illustrations group. Then a dialog box will appear. You will select the desired category from left pane. Choose the appropriate graphics and click on OK button. After inserting smart art, add text or image according to the requirements. In this window, you can see under Insert tab, we have Smart Art option. You will click on this option. After clicking on it, a dialog box will appear. This shows the categories of smart art, and under each category different types of smart art are available. You can select the smart art of your choice and click on OK button. The smart art will be inserted in this way. You can type inside the boxes, as when you will click on each box, the cursor will appear. You can type the text inside the box according to your requirement. Even if you want to remove the boxes, You can remove them by selecting them. Next is inserting word art. Word art is the text with the special effects. For this, you have to place the cursor where you want to insert word art. Then under Insert tab, click on Word Art option from the text group. Pick the desired style from the gallery. A placeholder displaying the text, your text here, appears with the text highlighted. Type the text to replace the placeholder text. Now you can see in this window, under Insert tab, you have the Word Art option. A drop down box will appear where several types of word arts are available. Select the word art of your choice, then a dialog box will appear like this. You can type the text in the text box given below, and font, you can also change the font as well as the size of the font. Even you can make the text bold and italics. After performing all the settings, you will click on OK button. The word art will appear like this. Next, we'll discuss how to insert a chart. A chart is a pictorial representation of data. It illustrates and compares data. The steps to insert chart are: click on the Insert tab, then select Chart option under Illustrations group. As you can see here, after clicking on the Insert tab, the Chart option is being clicked. Then a dialog box will appear. On the left hand side, it shows the categories of charts, and on the right hand side, it shows the charts itself. You can select any category and the chart under that category. After selecting the desired chart, click on OK button. The chart will be inserted in your document. Next, we'll discuss about header and footer. A header displays the text at the top of every page in a document, and footer displays the text at the bottom of every page in a document. So whenever you want to write any title, date at the top of the page, at the top of every page in a document, then you can make use of header. And footer is generally used to write down the page numbers at the bottom of each and every page in a document. For inserting header and footer, you will click the Insert tab and select Header or Footer option under Header and Footer group. Click one of the built-in options and it will appear in the document. Type the information into header and footer. As you can see here, under Insert tab, we have Header and Footer option. When you want to insert header, you can click on header. If you want to insert the text in footer, you will click on footer option. Insert a page number. Now for inserting a page number, you will click on Insert tab and select Page Number option under Header and Footer group. A drop-down list of options will appear. Click on one of the options and it will appear in your document. As you can see here, that under Header and Footer group, you have Page Number option. A drop-down list will appear. Select whether you want the page number to be displayed at the top of the page or the bottom of the page. You decide it first, and then the page number will appear at that particular location. Insert a text box. So a text box can be inserted by clicking on the Insert tab and then select the text box option under Text group. Click on one of the built-in options and it will appear in the document. In this window, you can see after clicking on the Insert tab, the text box option under Text group is there. You will click on the type of text box that you require. That type of text box will be inserted in your document. Drop cap. Drop cap makes the first letter of a paragraph large enough to span several lines. So the steps to insert a drop cap are: select the text, then click on Insert tab and select drop cap option under text group. After that, select the desired option from the list and drop cap will be applied. In this window, you can see after clicking on the Insert tab, under text group we have drop cap option. When you will click on it, a list will appear. Select how the text is to be dropped, means how many lines it will span and how the lines will be spanned. You will select the option. As you can see here 3 lines are being spanned by this T. So dropped option has been used and T appears like this. This is how you will use drop cap option. Next we will discuss how to insert an equation. Sometimes there is a situation that you have to insert mathematical equations in a document. For this, equation option is most suitable. The steps to insert an equation are: firstly, click on the Insert tab and select Equation option under Symbols group. The second step is you will type the equation. In this window you can see, firstly we'll click on the Insert tab. Under that we have Equation option under Symbols group. Several types of equations are already available. If you want to insert your own equation, you will click on Insert New Equation. Then after typing the equation will appear in your document. Insert a symbol. This feature or option is used when you want to insert a symbol which is not available on your keyboard. For this, you have to place the cursor where the symbol has to be inserted. The second step is click on Insert tab and select Symbol option under Symbols group. Then select the symbol that you require from the drop down list. As you can see, a dialog box appears from where you can select the desired symbol. When you will select the symbol, after that you have to click on Insert button. The symbol will be inserted in your document. Thank you.